How to log in to Frost Bank online banking. Please begin by opening your preferred and secure web browser on your computer. Navigate to a reliable search engine such as google.com. In the search bar, type Frost Bank and press the Enter key. From the search results, kindly locate and click on the official website of Frost Bank. Once the home page loads, find and click on the Log In button to proceed to the login page. If you wish to open a new account, you may click on Open an Account to begin the registration process. On the login page, enter your user ID by clicking on the Username field. Then input your password in the Password section. To view or hide your password, click on the eye icon based on your preference. If you have forgotten your login credentials, click on Forgot Username or Password to recover them. For first-time users, click on Set up online access to create your online banking account. You may also explore other available options on the page if they suit your banking needs. Finally, click on the Log In button to securely access your Frost Bank online banking account.